Okay, so I have the sled and the tapering jig just set on top of each other. And I'm just gonna eyeball it. They don't have, nothing about this has to be precise or perfect. It just has to fit. So I'm just gonna use a board to line these up. And there are 3 pre-drilled holes in this. I'm just gonna take 2 of them and put a pencil mark in. And I've got a 5/16 inch drill bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put these threaded inserts in. So put those in, and then I'll just bolt in there through that. So that's the idea. It's hard to drill into. That's funny. These are not the most expensive in the world, and they kind of click there at the end. Both of them did. I realized I actually broke those, which is fine. Okay, hopefully this will fit. So I need some M6 screws. I'll be right. Okay, I'm sure they fit to the hole. If they don't, I'll just, yeah, perfect. Okay, and the idea here is we're not, I just need to secure it. It doesn't have to be perfect. And we're not using this in any technical way. So just screw these in, and then I'll just go hang this back on the wall. And again, like I said, I very rarely use these 2 devices, and definitely never at the same time. So when I need one, I'll just take it off, and that's it. So yeah, so that's not falling off. So let me go hang it back on the wall and show you that too. And there we go, lickety split. So like I said, just hangs up there. I use them whenever I need it. You'll notice that little greenish yellow wire at the top. That's actually the thing that keeps it from falling off the wall. At the time when I built this, about 2-3 years ago, I didn't have any other option. I'll probably 3D print me something kind of cool and neat to put up there to hold it on. But other than that, until now, that'll work. And then, like I said, I'll put the paint right back here where it used to be. And actually, it wasn't here. It was actually on a storage thing, but it's still right here. So got that out of the way, and I have all my space back, and now I can put everything. The cool thing is they're on French cleats, and all I gotta do is re-secure the cleat, move the stuff off, put it back on, and we're good. So let's do that next. Top of that outlet. Okay, here's the problem I think I'm gonna have. I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, I'm have to make another one of these. It's wider. This part of the garage, they went all kinds of ape crazy with studs. They're supposed to be 16 or something inches on center. 24. These are way off. So that's 20 inches on center right there. It's supposed to be, I thought, 16. Okay, so that's still there. Okay, so we got a stud going down here. This is a magnet for a child-proofing set. I saw one of the very first things I ever learned off YouTube is a guy did this. Have no idea who he was, probably 10 years or more ago. And I've used it ever since because this was a textured wall. And I had $150 worth of stud finders. None of them worked. And now actually I think that company even sells magnets like this, but I've just been using a couple of these for years. So there's a stud going right here because of the outlet. And then there's another one over here. I was hoping there would be another one over here, but I don't think so. That means I'll need to cut another piece of. Yeah, okay. So, yeah. Okay, so I need to cut a 20-inch one of these. I'll be right back. Way. Okay, how we go? That's great. And there we go. So everything is back in place. So we got the two jigs and stuff over there. We got the paint back there. I don't think that sticks out far enough for my wife to hit it with her car because we got junk in the way. I think that's it. Okay, let's run back over to the tool wall. See how we're looking. So now you may be wondering, what in the world are you going to put there? Well, you see those little yellow boxes over there, the yellow and black boxes, the Stanleys? I have a collection of Stanleys and I am going to build a storage system right there where all that junk is. So I will put it right there and it will fit in between the two drawers that come out from the two cabinets that you see. I'll take the saws and put them somewhere else. I've got another thing I'm gonna do for that, but that is just about it. So that is our next project, is to work on the Stanley storage. And the coolest thing about this, which gets me extremely excited, is I get to use up a lot of this cutoff stack here. So that's the cool thing about these projects I've been working on, is I am truly using up stock that has been around for a while. They're just cut off from other projects and stuff. So that gets me excited. So most of the stuff you see in front of you right there, that is actually going to be the shelving for things. And then I've got some other stuff, and it'll be on wheels probably just so I can move it around so it doesn't get in the way or anything. And that's it. But so yeah, so very productive couple of days. So got, just to kind of recap so far, I've got everything moved to its kind of gets permanent location now. From the wall, we have made use of the old storage place for the paint and things. We have the storage for the woodpecker's tools. And then I still have a bunch, as you see at the bottom, I still have a bunch of storage space down there I can use. So yes, this is working out nicely. I'm excited. All right, thanks everybody watching. We'll see you next time.